Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Majorette school bus. So, yeah, let's get into it. So yeah guys, let's see if we can open this. Okay, so we have this little polystyrene foam, and if we get all this out, just chuck the bags over there, and the polystyrene. So, we have got a Majorette school bus, as you can see. I think it's a Neoplan, made by Majorette. Yeah, Neoplan, correct. So yeah, I was meant to get these ages ago at Brooklyn's, but then Brooklyn Bus Rally in 2018. But then I found another thing which was more rarer, so I decided to get that. And now I've got one, which is awesome. So yeah, here's front, here's side, here's back, here's the other side. There's the roof, and there's the bottom. And this ain't the best of condition of models, but it was cheap for what it is. £4.20 I think I paid. And yeah, I outbidded someone, so they're not going to be happy. So yeah, it's got a bit of a, what do you call it, letters missing, but who gives a shit? I've got the model, that's all that matters. So yeah, I do collect any types of buses, including the ones from different countries. Don't matter where it's from, what it is, or where it is. Don't make a lot of sense, but I know, who cares? So, and any company that makes them. So yeah, there is my Majorette school bus, Neoplan. I've got a couple of these buses, but not the school bus variant. I think one of them came from France. Well, I didn't buy it. I bought it from France off eBay, but I didn't go there. But yeah, that was ages ago I bought that one, and I haven't showed it off on YouTube. And my voice is goddamn going. I've got a bit of a cold now, I reckon. So yeah, here's front, side. I'll just do this again. Back, the roof, the other side, and the bottom. So yeah, let's get this baby. It's from here. Oh god. I was supposed to unbox this yesterday, but yeah, I missed the package outside. So yeah, it was there waiting for me, but I didn't pick it up. So that's why you didn't see it in yesterday's video, and you're getting a video today. So yeah, and also I'm going to R4 and 5 tomorrow. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail. There we go. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.